Welcome! Changing your Facebook profile photo is a simple way to refresh your online presence and show off a fun new image. In this updated tutorial, I'm going to guide you through each step to make this process as smooth as possible. Whether you want to update your current photo or have entirely new pictures to showcase, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First things first, grab your Android device and locate the Facebook app. Once you have it open, you'll want to head to your profile. This is easy. Look to the top left corner of the screen, where you'll find your profile picture. Just tap on it to enter your profile. Now that you're on your profile page, it's time for a quick double tap on your existing profile picture. This action will bring up the option to change it. Next, you'll see a button that says, Choose Profile Picture. Tap on that to open your photo library. You'll be greeted with all your available photos, whether they're from recent events, a vacation, or a favorite moment captured. Go ahead and select the photo you'd like to represent you. After you've made your choice, take a moment to look it over, as this will be the image that your friends and followers will see first. When you're satisfied with your selection, tap Save at the top right corner of your screen. And just like that, you've successfully updated your Facebook profile picture. It's a quick and easy process that can bring a fresh look to your online identity. So don't be shy, show off your personality the way you want. Thanks for watching, and happy Facebooking.